Very pretty. Eyes like mother, nose like mother. Mother, my daughter,
Oh, where is she now?
Victoria. Drop, dump site, landslide.
Oh. How much do you need?
I need to borrow 1,000.
Are you crazy? The processing fee for a green card doesn't cost that much.
She hasn't been able to work.
And why is that my problem? Oh, you stupid idiot. How can you be so crazy?
She wants to keep it.
Do you love her? Don't cash that till Wednesday.
Right.
So I guess I'm gonna see you here more often then.
Yeah, I guess.
Alam mo, tsak na makakahanap ka ng ibang trabaho. Yung iba rito, hindi ako sigurado. May mga pamilyang umaasa sa kanila.
Kailangan ko rin ng trabahong ito. May mga obligasyon ako at may pamilyang umaasa sa akin.
Hindi ko alam na may pamilya ka. Akala ko ba wala mang gawin sa akin to. Tagal ko na dito eh.